Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, March the 5th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. There is also an additional with extra Sudokus in this newspaper. Yes, extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8. But first, we will solve this regular Sudoku Heavy, and the previous Sudoku. Once in a while, once in the first week of the month, I will do a speed test, and only for the Sudoku Light. So the second one will be number 2422. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 10, 13, 15, 17 plus 3 is 20, 22, 24. Wow, 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 wow. 24. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 4 stars. Yes. 24 printed digits is a 4 stars Sudoku. The 3 stars has 25, the 2 stars has 26, and the 1 star 27 printed digits. This one could be a heavy one. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. Yes. We see here 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers now. In the last column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9 in the last column. We see here 5, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and a 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Should be the numbers 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3. Alright. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 6, 2, 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. We have here 7 and a 3, but 2, 4, 6. We need 2, 4, 6 here. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see, the 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. The only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Then I need to wait for the 5. How about the number? Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here or could be there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright. Then. How about 7, 8, 3. 8, 3, 2, 2, and 7. Yeah, I'm scanning. 6, yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. 4, 3, 3, yeah. 3, yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 8 and 7 are missing. 8 and 7, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 2 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 2 and the 6, so the other pair should be the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and the 7. Alright. 3, the 2. 4. How about the 5? Still cannot use the 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in, and that row, so the row between. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 9. 2 boxes. Oh, we already have a 9 here. So this is not the 9. This should be a 2. Almost made the mistake. This is a 2. Quick correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 7 is. The 1 and the 7 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1. 1. 1 number left in this column. 1. The 2 is missing, I believe. Yes, 2 is missing here. So now we have 1 and 7. 1, 7. And the 9 is missing. 1, 7, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? In the first row, the 2 and the 8 are missing. 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8. I need an 8. Need an 8. How about the the 3 should be here. Yeah, 3. 2, 6, 8, 7, 2, 8. Yeah, it cannot be 6, 6, 8, 6, 7, 2, 8. Alright, 1. The 2 is missing. In this big square, we see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. Alright. And we have all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8. No, I need to wait. Here also 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 7 and 9. Okay. 8, 7. 8, 7 are missing in the third column. 8, 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for number 8. Alright, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 7. One box left in this column for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. No, 8 we have 4 and 9. 4 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 2. 8 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 2 in the first row. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the second row for the number 7 and 4. 7 and 4 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. The last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great. Sudoku Heavy. Is it heavy enough? I do not know, because it's a 4 stars Sudoku. And a 4 stars Sudoku, if it's a really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. But I have solved this in 16 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this Sudoku Heavy. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the other Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.